Yan at para makapunta kami.
Wala.
Was it just to have us die here or hide out to the Lord? But the elders of Israel, holding in your hand as you go, the staff with which you struck the river. I will be standing there in front of you on the rock in Horah and Meribah, because of the Israelites quarreled there and tested the word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.